Okay, here's me trying to get to the corner. Wish me luck. Dum, dum, dum. Oh my God. I can't even walk down the driveway. I can't. Oh my God. If I fall, I can't. Okay. Oh my God. I can't even do this. Let me get on the snow. Hold on. You know, whoa. Okay, see those tracks? That's me trying to get to the hood, and I had to get back up here. Oh my God. Okay, it's worse now. Ah! I'm just sliding. Okay. Okay. Holy shit. Okay. I couldn't even get this far. I'm walking. I'm gonna get on the snow. Maybe the snow will be easier. Hold on. Okay. Maybe if I could walk in snow. Okay, this is what I'm dealing with. This is my cul-de-sac that I couldn't make it to here. This is the hill to get out of my cul-de-sac. Holy, there's no way. This is crazy. Nobody is moving. Holy, it is sheer ice. No one is leaving here. Not for a little bit. What the fuck? Okay. If it gets better, I'll text you, but I'm only there till 11, so... Okay, let me see if I can get back into my house. Here I go. Okay, if I could walk in the snow all the way there... You know, if I could walk in the snow all the way to work, I could get there. It is even worse up there. Oh my God. How are you gonna, where are you crossing? I'm gonna go into the house through the stairs because I can't even walk on that driveway. Whoa. Oy vey yak shamash. Okay, that was it. Bye.